Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode of our training with Cee Jay Creative World. In today's training, we will learn how to make beauty bag. Okay, these are the measurements. All the measurements are in inches, so you take your time, go through the measurements, and let's go. Yes, let's go to the materials needed for this bag. Okay, first you will need your pair of scissors. So like I said, you need your pair of scissors, very good one to cut through the marco and this thing. You need your magnetic snap or magnetic lock, magnetic closure, any name you know it of. Okay, you can get it. This is the washer. You need your measuring tape. You need 2 pieces of D-ring. You need your chain for the hand holder. You need your marking pen. Okay, of course you need your preferred leather. This is the leather I'm going to use for this beauty bag. You also need your marking sole. Okay, the marking sole has to be a very light one, just like this. This is Marco 2. Okay, so you make sure you get Marco 2. If you can't get this, please make sure you go for a lesser foreign marcos. They have a very light marco. Okay, so you can buy foreign marcos. They are very light, and how you know them is that they are smoother than what you're seeing here now. Okay, of course you won't forget your fiber, because you will need the fiber to cut your measurement. Okay, you can use anything, like this is expression paper, Wivon paper. You can use them for cutting your patterns. Okay, let's go to the measurements, to the cut. Okay, so we'll start taking. Okay, we'll take the measurements, but lest I forget, I know you won't have to forget your sewing machine and your gum. Normally I use OCI. Okay, it's a very good so this is how it looks like, but it's a very thick one. Okay, to cut the patterns, you will take your fiber. Okay, you will measure 10 inches. Look at it, we said 10 inches. The main body panel. So you measure 10 inches long. The width is 7 inches. Okay, you just cut a rectangle like this. Okay, when you've gotten this rectangle, all you need to do is to make a little curve on it, just little. You could shape it to any shape anyway. You could leave it this way, but I prefer it to be shaped, so I'll just cut it a little bit here. Or better still, you can get any circular form container or the cover, like this is a cover. You can place it at the edge this way and mark it with my pen. Place it the same way you did the first time. You mark it this way. You do this to all the 4 corners. Then you trim it off. So after trimming, you will have a pattern like this. This is for the main body panel. This panel will be divided into 3 parts. The first part is the back panel, which is 5 inches by 7 inches. Okay, you know the wideness of this is already 7 inches. So we'll measure 5 inches from the beginning, just to get the back panel. Okay, so take it this way, 5 inches. Then you use your ruler to make a